Okay, sir. What will you say the best practices in the course you're offering?
Actually, our course is the electronics and telecommunication is the course. There is the best practice we have considered just like as the one of the practice GFM. GFM is the bone of our JSM actually, not only for the ENTC. And under this GFM, we have considering a lot of activity and lot of supports to the students. GFM in the GFM we have considering the 20 students to the one faculty. Basically, GFM is the guardian faculty member, and through that we have connect to each and every student through the in the term of the academic, in the term of the placement, as well as in the term of the personal counseling also. So we know if we are observing the in the pandemic situation, there is the so many difficulties to the students. Maybe under the depression also, they have some family issues, some have the financial issue, and some students have the writing skill and listening also lost during this pandemic. Okay, so for that purpose, JFM is the one of the best practice we have considered, because under that JFM we have considering at the personal level counseling, and we just try to motivate the students again come back just before like at the pandemic. Okay, this is the one of the part. Second part is related with the academic, because we have observed there is the students is lacking in term of the attendance or in term of the minute term. So we just motivate the students the importance of the attendance, because if student is not present in this class, so that time what efforts taken by the faculty is a different part, but for that student should be the present in the class. And for the attendance we have motivated the students, and we have just given the suggestion for the what is the importance in the presentation present in the class. So these things are the very important as a part of the GFM. This is the one of the best practice, is not only for the ANDC, this is the part of the actually basically GSPM group of the institute. Second part is related with our clubs. Clubs is the our best practice. In the department there are the total three clubs we have considering. One is the coder club, second is the potential club, and third one is related with the design club. So through that we try to develop the students in the multiple angle, and this club try to develop the new ideas, new project through that, and they take the participation in the different competitions, and they have already achieved the some awards also through that club. Basic main tempo of that club is related with the involvement of the students and develop in the multiple angles.
Okay, sir. What are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
Okay, madam. So basically, electronics and telecommunication is the branch when we consider is the very divided into the nowadays is divided into the two parts, because hardware is there, software is there. So for so that we have considering the different type of the module in the department. So in the department there are the total 5 models we have considered. So total subject we have categorized model wise. So first one is the communication related module, second is related with the programming, third is related with the electronics design, fourth one is related with the embedded system, and fifth one is related with the signal programming and arithmetic. Okay, so these are the module, and under that module we have categorized the subject. And this important of this module is like that key students should understand what is our way. We want to go through the programming, we want to the in the design. I am interested in the communication sector, I am interested in the embedded system. So for that purpose we have decided the all subject divided the all subject in the domain wise, and student need to select the one of the domain and focus on that particular domain. And if student focus on that particular domain, so that time it is very easy to select their future by that students is the very important. And again there is the domain wise there is the expert in our department, and they have given the guidelines about that domain, and therefore it is the very easy to students to select their future.
Okay, sir. How did you train yourself to deliver this program to the students?
Okay. Basically, for this, because our college is related with the affiliated with the Savitribai Phule University, so we just follow the structure and syllabus content given by the university. But we are not only depend on that. So we have tried to find out the gap between the industry and structure and syllabus given by the university. And when we find the gap, so for that purpose we have considering the one CEP program. CEP is the curricular enrichment program. So at the start of the any academic, for the 15 days there is the CEP, and through that CEP we try to find out the gap between the syllabus and industry. And for that purpose we have called the industry person also, so they have just give the suggestion to us key related what type of the content you need to add in the syllabus. And we have just considering these all contents as the beyond of the syllabus. Content beyond the syllabus is the part, additional part we have considered, and this part we try to develop through the faculty and again deliver throughout the academic. Advantage of that is nothing but the, so we try to develop our students to ready for the industry.
How do you tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Okay. So for the industry connect, there in the department there is the one sale is the related with the internship is the one of the part, and second part and important part of our department is related with the, we have the one Sonetra lab, and this Sonetra lab is developed by the company, and they have developed the project or product of that company through our project. We have given the one space in our department for that Sonetra, and those product they want to develop in the industry. Same type of the product we develop through our student at our department level, and therefore student is ready. Student is know each and everything how what type of the work is going in the industry, and same type of the work we have considered here through that Sonetra club and through that Sonetra company.
What are the types of projects that the students are working on through this program?
Okay. So basically, in our program, there is the we considering the program project from the second year. Basically, in the second year, there is the PBL program. This learning is the one of the part of the our curriculum. In the third year, there is the mini project is the part of the related with the project, and in the final year, there is the major project. So we start from the second year. What exactly requirement of the industry or requirement of the market? According, we just considering the survey, and in that survey, we have categorized in the different way. It may be the related with the biomedical. It is related with the agriculture. It is related with the communication sector. It related with the finance sector. So we have categorized this project in a different angle, and as per the students' interest, as per the student knowledge, we have categorized in the different part, and we start the work from the basically second year, and we try to develop same type of the project as a mini part in the third year and as a major project in the final year. So student, what is our aim basically behind that is the student, there is the one simple path, and student try to develop from the second year to final year, and at the end of the final year their project, those ones start at the second year is nothing but the product. So we are just going in this way.
What are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
In the electronics and telecommunication department, so we try to, because most of the students nowadays if you're observing they interested in the software, so for that software we have tried to develop the students in that field also. So for that we try to provide the software related courses from the second year to develop the students accordingly, and he is ready or for the placement for the software company. This is one part. Second part is the related with the telecommunication. So there is a lot of opportunities are available in the telecom sector, because we know nowadays communication is the one of the part, and therefore in the communication sector in the government or it may be the private. So there is the lots of opportunities available for the student. Then another part is related with the VLSI and embedded. Nowadays most of the companies are coming in the India, and therefore this in the sector of the embedded and the VLSI, so there is again more opportunities available for the electronics and telecommunication branch for the student.
What do you see as your college's greatest strengths?
In the ANTC department, there are the total now 20 to 23 faculty currently working. And if we have considered the retention of the faculty is highest in the ANTC department, so if we consider the average experience of the faculty is also in the range of the 13 to 15 years, and this is the one of the our strong point of the department, because experience is the very important to give or guide the any type of the students related. It may be the related with the faculty academic, it may be the related with the placement, or it may be the related with the anything. So this experienced faculty is the one of the our key point of the department. And second point is related with the academic. So in our department is very strong in the academic from the first day to the end of the semester. So we try to develop the students is not only in the academic, we try to develop the students in the multiple angle, so student is ready for the any type of the activity.
How do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your college?
Mm, For the healthy relation, GFM is the one of the good factor in our college department. So through that GFM, they interact only with the 20 students. They focus not only the academic of that students, they focus also the personal problem of that students. So we just try to reach each and every problem of the student through the GFM is the one of the factor. Another factor, we try to make the healthy environment in our campus. If you're observing, there is the big ground is available, and through that ground we have just provided the major type of the games. It may be the cricket, football is like that. Second one is nothing but the we are also again involved in the cultural type of the event. We have also participated in the Purushattam and another type of the party type of the drama in the major, those we have considered as the part of the in the Pune city basically. So due to that, we have tried to make the students and healthy in the different way, is the academic also, in the sports also, and in the cultural also.
Okay, sir, one last question. Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Okay. Nowadays, if you're observing, the current youth is only as a part of the software and software and software only. They are searching in and they are trying to earn the lots of money. Yes, okay, money is the one of the important factor in the life, our life. But through that money, how we utilize this money in the society or how to help for our society is very important. So I request to all the youth, if you are on the lots, so think about that also, ki those are in our surrounding, and just try to help for our society.
Okay, sir, you have given some great answers for the interview. Thanks again for the
Thank you.
interview.
Thank you.